Prime Minister Xanana today chaired the first meeting of the National Council of the Organization of the ASEAN Presidency, or ANOC, at the Ministry of Finance here in Taraklaran, Dili. As a permanent member of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, Timor-Leste is now moving forward with preparations to assume greater responsibilities within the regional bloc, including future leadership roles. Now, this meeting brought together senior government officials to coordinate strategic planning, as well as institutional readiness and financial preparations required for organizing high-level ASEAN engagements. During discussions, the Prime Minister stressed the importance of strong interministerial coordination, national unity, and professional standards to ensure Timor-Leste successfully fulfills its commitments on the regional stage. The formation or the first session of ACNOC signals the government's proactive approach in strengthening the country's role within ASEAN and reinforcing its diplomatic presence in the Southeast Asia region.